So basically my rating, puzzle rating is about 2700 or 800, and now we're gonna solve some puzzles. Okay, let's see. Okay, when I solve it, I always look for his threats first. So he's threatening to take here with jack, then I have to take, and in the end game, I don't know, probably some kind of equal position, I don't know. So that tells me that I have to do something forcing. So basically look for checks. So I have 2 checks here. That's it. Captures would be capture this pawn, and the attacks would be probably this one to threaten checkmate. And what would be attack? With the rook, I think that's the only attacking move. And maybe I can push this pawn too. That's attacking the knight. And also threatening this check, but actually that looks like a good move. What else? With this rook, I think that's because with the queen I don't see any more moves than those. Maybe queen can go here, but that's not good. He's gonna just take. Okay, so let's start calculating. So calculating this move takes check, and after he takes, honestly, I don't think those two are the moves. After this move, he cannot actually take here because takes, and I give a check, and that's checkmate. So maybe it's this move. On this move, what is he doing? Okay, that looks like a move. But also this is interesting, this push. This push here. So this is not it. This is not it. And I have these 2 candidates moves. So maybe push here, and let's say he takes, because he cannot play this. Takes, and then I take the knight. So he has to take, maybe. Then I give a check. He goes here. I go here, but he gives a check. That's not forcing enough. So takes, and then check. That's it. I have nothing. Well, maybe this. Okay, that's good, but I actually didn't consider this move that he can take. But anyway, so what's the trick now? If I take here, I still have a threat of a checkmate. What was the difference? If I take here, so probably the difference is because with this move I'm opening up possibility for a queen. That sounds like it. I mean, that makes sense, I wanted to say. So let's see. Takes. Yeah, that makes okay. So now this looks like a check. Goes here. No, check. Here he goes here. And then what? Then what's going on? I just take it and that's it. Or maybe there's something better here. Check here. It goes here. So I have two checks here. This check, and what else do I have? Oh, I can take this. Maybe I should take this actually. Takes, and then what does he play? Obviously takes. That's a mate. But what else? I don't see it. Oh, it's not it. Oh, yeah. He's taking with the check. I didn't see that, so it just is. Okay, too bad, but you gotta watch out for everything for checks. Anyways, I guys hope you enjoyed it. This is how you calculate, but don't forget that you're taking. I mean, it's check. Yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching.